Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss another question on Gauss's divergence theorem. So it says, let f be 2x, 3y and z square, and three-dimensional body is given as, you can just draw it instead of writing what it is. It is a cube So it is a cube x, y, z. This point is 1, 1, 1, right? I'm writing it here, or it's okay. We don't write it. The length of each of the sides are 1. So this is the front side. Fine. So this is the body we have T. And what we have to do is we have to find the surface integral of f dot n ds for the surface of this body, right? We have to find the surface integral of this vector. Now, of course, we can do it using Gauss's divergence theorem, and it says we can find the volume integral for the divergence of this field and the volume integral. So let's see what is divergence here first. It is going to be df1 by dx plus df2 by dy plus df3 by dz. And we have this f1, f2 and f3 components present here. So this becomes d of 2x by dx, d of 3y by dy and d of z square by dz. This becomes 2 plus 3 plus 2z, which is 5 plus 3, sorry, 2. 5 plus 2z is the divergence of this field, right? Now we have to find the volume integral, and we can see that this dv for cube is directly dx, dy, dz, right? And that too for a cube or for a cuboid, the x, y, z components are going to be independent from each other. And we can see if it is a cube, the limits for x, y and z are all going to be same. X will have the same limits, y will have the same limits, and z will also have the same limits, right? So all we have to do is the triple integral now. This is 5 plus 2z dx, dy, dz, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Now that we know that these variables are independent, let's do it separately only. integration dx 0 1, integration dy 0 1, and integration 5 plus 2z 0 to 1. So this will become 1 into 1 into this 5 plus 2z will give 5z plus z square with the limits 0 to 1. So this is 5 and plus 1. This is going to be 6. Of course, you can do it one by one also. You can integrate with dx, then after that dy, and then after dz, and you will still get the volume integral to be 6 here. Right? You'll get the same answer.